to my channel. Today, guys, I just want to take you through a few things. I want to show you stocks that ETFs that I've bought since the first video I've published, where we started the journey on investing on the tax-free using is equity, as you can see. So then, as you can see as well, while you're already here, you can see the performance that we are up by 1.16%. Then we'll speak about some of the ETFs either inside this portfolio that I'll be buying more of it, or we'll be buying some that are not inside this portfolio. So let's get into it. So as you can see in here, last time I published a video on the tax-free saving, we had 4,000, I think, and I just bought some few shares. So I've been buying some ETFs while you were gone. No, I think while I was gone. Right. So as you can see, these are the ETFs that I have in my tax-free savings. So for now, I'm just gonna buy, and then I would also like to explain just one ETF that I bought on sort of like why. Then we'll just buy more. So then the ETF that I bought, and I'm looking forward to it, and I'm excited to see its performance, it's this one. So as you can see that this is the fourth industrial revolution global, which means this is an ETF that sort of like pushes the fourth industrial revolution, as we sort of like hear now and again in the news, or we can see that we're going toward another stage. So just imagine if you held an ETF that had all the companies that are pushing social media at an earlier stage, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I mean, they all owned by Facebook, but anyway, so in that area, so now you put yourself in a better position, like you're investing in something that is the future actually. So this is the ETF that I bought few days ago. So we'll be buying more again. So this is the performance that we have. So the strategy on my buying here, they say it's a rand averaging strategy, where you sort of like buy every month, so I've done my research with regards to what companies are in here and what do they do, and I do have an understanding on how they work. So as we can see, just to have a look inside, this is pre-COVID-19, then it went down and it went up, and it surpasses, I think it is at its most high. So checking the price, it's 34 bucks. So let's buy more. Let's buy more and see what's happening. So we have 500 bucks. Let's put in how much are we going to put in here? Let's put 150. Don't ask me why, but anyway, we're just pushing it and pushing it. Let's go. All right. Okay, we've just bought ourselves adding to our portfolio. If you can notice that we were on 1.116 and now, yeah, it's 1.103. Why? It's because I just bought the ETF for the Industrial Revolution ETF that we just bought. So then, as you can see, that it's been going down at the time when I bought it. So the other ETF that I will add on, it's the Nasdaq. It's been performing quite well, so why not put in? Let's put how much? Let's put 200 on it. All right. So I mean, obviously, as I am showing you and buying here, it's just to take you through the system at the same time and show you the real investing, like doing it live, not just talking about how to invest and whatsoever. If you haven't watched the first video on when we started, please go and watch, because there I also explain that I'll be carrying on showing you throughout the journey up until the end, probably 10 years doing this. So if you haven't subscribed as well, just remember to hit that button to subscribe so that you can see future videos that I'll be posting. So the other ETF that I will buy is this one, it's TV Plus, because here we're targeting on dividends. You'll notice that if you have been investing in ETFs, you're asking yourself, where are my dividends? So when you get the dividends, it's sort of like they are reinvested automatically throughout your portfolio. So we're going to put 150.35. Right, and we click go in there, we invest all our money that we had this month, $100. As you can see, we have 0. So let's go here, kind of overview. So now as we can see that we just bought everything. So this is it for now. This is the performance, which is 0.88, which is equal to 45 Rand. So see you next month when we buy more. Remember to subscribe, and there is a video that is coming up on 5 things you need to consider before you buy shares or before you invest. So in order to see the video, you have to subscribe, guys, and like the page. You share the channel. Keep safe, keep well. That's it for me for today. Thank you very much.